My name is Engineer Olalere Rafiu Kayode, a senior lecturer in Mechanical Engineering Department of Lagos State University of Science and Technology. My research area is on the conversion of plastic waste into plastic brick, which are used for road construction. My motivation into this area of research is the challenges facing Nigeria in general and Lagos State in particular. Because of the high population of Lagos State, the turnover rate of plastic in Lagos has been put at 870,000 tons in a year. This calls for concern. So my little contribution is on plastic waste control, thereby creating a plastic brick from this process. And this also serves as a good alternative because of the present high cost of cement. The specific objective, as I've earlier mentioned, is to contribute to plastic waste control and regulation in Lagos State. But the major objective is to produce plastic brick from this plastic waste. And this brick can be used for many applications, major of which is road construction. And I also have it in mind to, by this project, create entrepreneurship scheme. Since receiving the grants in 2022, I've constructed two major machines. One is plastic waste crushing machine. This machine actually, the plastic waste, which could be plastic bottled water, the soft drinks, the crushing machine reduces this plastic into powder form. Then the second machine is the actual plastic waste melting machine. These machines will melt the plastic, mix it with clay, and then produce it into a plastic clay brick in the mold. And we have also produced samples of these bricks, and we have subjected to laboratory experimentation, and is comparing favorably with the local interlock brick, but there are still some modifications to do in that area. The project, I've had the initiative long time ago, but it's the LASRIC funding that actually gave me the opportunity to be able to undertake the design and the construction, and the funding make it possible for me to construct the two machines, produce samples, and then made it available for laboratory investigation. In the area of advancements of my field as an engineer, the plastic waste is a very dangerous waste in the sense that it's a non-biodegradable substance. When plastic is burned in the dump field, it emits dangerous chemicals that causes a lot of health hazard. So the machine I've constructed help to reduce the challenges of this emission that normally originated from a dump site burning of the plastic waste. And at the same time, in my field of studies, series of my students have benefited from participating in the construction stages of this machine, and in a way they have also got some knowledge during the process of the construction. And I'm already talking to some companies, but during the process of construction, I work along with some local welders and machinists, of which I believe that if this project actually comes to fruition, this group of people will be very useful in producing this machine for the community at a cheaper price, because this could trigger small-scale entrepreneurship. The sustainability of further development of the research outcome I am working on relating with some other organization apart from LASRIC, because LASRIC has actually done the best, the first of it in any state in Nigeria. But the project is actually capital intensive, and I'm also trying to reach out to some other organizations so that we want to move from the stages of manual operation to automation. We want the machine to be automated, and that is the time when we can talk about maximization of outputs. We have carried out laboratory investigation on the products produced currently, and we believe that if the plastic is produced, if the plastic is mixed with clay, it is definitely going to produce a brick that is stronger in strength, in compressive strength, compared to the interlock block. Yeah, the current one we have produced and investigated is giving us the compressive strength of 14.5 Newton per millimeter square, and the average interlock compressive stress is 16.8 Newton per millimeter square. So we are going to improve on the product we have got, because definitely literature have established that plastic brick is stronger than the cement brick. So it is at that stage that proper dissemination in form of publications in international journal for the whole world to know what we have done, that will definitely take place. It will come to be. The whole project is centered around commercialization and entrepreneurship scheme, because it is capable of alleviating the challenges of unemployment. The construction of the machine is one aspect of commercialization. We can train people and we can empower people to be able to produce the machine which we are using to produce this brick. Then using the machine to produce the brick is another area of commercialization. Yeah, in this area, these people will simply be producing the brick for selling to the larger community.